The day has come for me to explain how to find winning products. In this video, I'll show you a product that has generated over $33,000 in just a week. First and foremost, let me clarify that this is not my voice. I am from Spain, but I create videos in English to reach a wider audience. So the voice you hear is not mine. It's a translator, a voiceover. Therefore, don't worry if it doesn't sound perfect. It's not my voice. Let's start the video. I already have messages on Instagram and Discord. In the description, you'll find both links where you can directly reach out to me. I respond to everyone, and I don't leave anyone unanswered. In the second link, you'll find the Discord link. We are building a community of over 60 people where we chat every day. It's incredible what we're doing, and I'm here to help. It's a new, free, for now, Discord where my goal is to assist you. So don't delay in joining because it may become a paid service in the future. Many of you have been asking me how to find a winning product, and in this video, I will show you how. I'll explain what constitutes a winning product, the main differences from a regular or non-profitable product, and most importantly, the factors that make a product a winning product. What is a winning product? A winning product isn't necessarily one that goes viral. It's one that generates revenue, one that makes money. I don't care about views or numbers. I care about money. What you want is to earn money. Views don't matter. A winning product can be categorized into 3 tiers from my perspective. The lower tier, which generates around $10,000 to $15,000 in monthly revenue. The middle tier, which generates about $15,000 to $25,000 per month, and the top tier, which goes from $25,000 upwards to $100,000 or more. This forms a pyramid. Within this pyramid, we have these 3 tiers. We'll discuss how to find products in each of them. It's relatively easy, and it's determined by several factors I will now explain. Basically, when you're looking for a winning product, you need to consider 4 points. The wow factor is the most important, because what we're doing is dropshipping with organic TikTok, which means you're not paying for ads. Therefore, if you're not paying for ads, your product needs to be highly visual to keep people engaged in the video. If your product isn't visually appealing, if it doesn't catch the eye, you're in trouble, and people will scroll past your video without making any money. So, the first point is the most crucial, the wow factor. The wow factor for this product is incredible. It's a pink pig with a tie. A pink pig with a tie! If we add the sounds it makes and how it crushes, which people enjoy, the result is a winning product. It has a very, very strong wow factor. It's similar to what happened with the monkey. The monkey didn't go viral just because it's a monkey, but because of how it drops, how it squishes, creating interaction. And the more interaction, the more views, like a snowball effect. More interaction leads to more views, and it keeps increasing until it explodes. Before continuing, let me give you some examples of the wow factor. A clear example is back cracking, cracking your back. It has a wow effect because visually, you don't know what it is. You don't know if it's for your back or something for the car or to lift the car. Until you see the video, you won't understand it. Now let's move on to the second point, a new variant. The pig is a new variant. The pig is a new variant of the monkey. It doesn't get any better than this. The monkey worked very well. Who says the pig won't work well if it's the same concept? So, we tried the pig, and boom! It went super viral on TikTok. A new variant is something people often overlook, but it's essential. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. The wheel is already invented. Take a product and capitalize on it. If you know a product works well, improve it and move on to another. The third point, which I believe determines where you stand in the lower, middle, or top tier, is whether the product fulfills a need. I think this is incredibly important, and it's essential to understand that it must address a need. If you have a product that has the wow factor, is a new variant, and also meets a need, you have a product that can make $80,000, $90,000, or $100,000 per month because you have the 3 most important points. What does it mean to address a need? Let's continue with the example of the back cracker, since it illustrates all the points we need to follow to find a winning product. The back cracker has the wow factor. It's a new variant, and what need does it address? When people get older, it's highly likely they'll experience back pain. Back pain is a problem that affects 90% of the elderly population. The back cracker is an ideal product to relieve back tension. Everyone has a back, and the video structure focuses on back pain. So, if you have back pain and a product can alleviate it, you do the math. Boom! It fulfills a need. Now, let's move on to the last point. The last point doesn't necessarily determine whether it's a winning product or not. In fact, it's a factor I like to consider a lot, but many people overlook it. It's about the suppliers. When you're looking for a product, whether on AliExpress or CJ, which are the only ones I recommend, one of three things might happen. First, there may be no distributor. Second, you may find one or two suppliers with very poor reviews, 0 views, and 0 sales, meaning it's a bad product, and you're taking a risk. And third, it may be oversaturated, where you see that 500 units have been sold to each supplier. This means the product is highly saturated. You need to find a balance between these three factors. It's easier than you think. Just don't pick products that make no sense or are unsuitable for filming. Before I explain something that many people overlook about products, I want you to be fully aware of this crucial point. I'll explain it quickly. These are the phones I use to record the pig. So all of these phones, I use them with accounts to record the pig. Here are the United States, Germany, and the United States accounts I had for the pig. In each phone, I had to record 3, 4, or 5 videos a day. I was recording the pig for 4 to 5 hours daily, not counting editing time. What I'm trying to say is that you need to be comfortable recording. If you're recording a product you don't like, stop. Don't even try it. Before buying it, think about the idea that you might have to record X number of videos with this product. Am I good at recording this product? No? Then don't buy it. Do I like recording this product? No. Then don't buy it. Even if it has the wow factor, is a new variant, and fulfills a need, don't buy it if you don't see yourself recording it. Don't buy it, it won't turn out well. You need to feel comfortable with your product. That's how I felt with the pig. Recording the pig was enjoyable for me. I had fun. I laughed when recording the pig. Right now, I'm trying products that I don't like. I'm trying products that I hate, and I'm leaving them because of that. I'm leaving them because I don't enjoy recording them. I want to have fun. I don't want to record out of obligation. I don't want to record for the money. I want to record because I enjoy it and make money on top of that. That's the most important thing, and no one considers it. Don't record just for the sake of recording. Record because you want to record the product. I'll show you the product that generated $33,000 in 1 week. I have it right here. It's very small. Some of you may have already seen it. I'll show you everything, how it works, and the numbers to back it up. That's basically it. I'll put it here. The product you see on the screen has generated over $33,000 in 1 week. I'm providing all the details so you can see it. It's a remote control that you plug into your phone's USB port, whether it's an iPhone or Android. You can control TVs, air conditioners, anything that works with infrared. So don't hesitate. Buy it, try it, let me know how it goes. So guys, I'll see you in another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a like, subscribe, and until next time.